Guys, for those of you who forgot the default lock screen password, as you can see, we're going to enter the password here, and it's saying that the PIN entered is incorrect. So, in this comprehensive and easy to follow tutorial, we are going to meticulously demonstrate and show you a very simple, incredibly effective and straightforward method for you to completely remove this screen password, or indeed any other type of lock screen password, from your specific Samsung M52 device, okay? This process is designed to be quick and hassle-free for all users. Please remember that this straightforward and effective procedure will also work for a variety of other Samsung models, and you are highly encouraged to confidently try it out for yourself. I am quite confident that you will successfully be able to unlock your device and regain full access to its functionalities. A tip for you before we start the procedure: in some cases, your phone will only enter recovery mode to unlock it if you connect a USB cable to your computer. So, for some models, this will be necessary, okay? So it's good for you to pay attention to this tip. Remove your SIM card, remove your memory card, and on this emergency screen, you're going to press the volume down and the power button at the same time. When the device restarts, release only the volume down and press the volume up. The Samsung logo will appear on the screen and the name will stay on the screen, okay guys? It's important that you get this tip. Then yes, you release the power button, but keep holding the volume up here until it enters recovery mode. I'm going to do it here so you can follow along, okay? Volume down and power, keep holding them. It's important for you to pay attention to the timing. Let's wait. Just a little longer. Release volume down, press volume up. Now pay attention. Release the power button and keep holding the volume up button at the top. For it to enter recovery mode, this is recovery mode, go down by pressing the volume down button until you reach the fifth option where it says Data Factory Reset and confirm with the power button. Go down again with the volume down button and confirm again, and let's wait for this process to complete. Confirm again on this next screen, and now your device is already being unlocked, okay? If you also need to unlock your email and your Google account, you can contact me through our number in the video description, okay? If this video helped you, and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel, feel free to do so. It doesn't matter how much you give, what's important is your help and your gratitude. I hope I was able to help you, and that was today's video. Thanks everyone, take care, see you next time.